What's up guys, Samsung officially announced that Galaxy Unpacked 2020 will be held on August 5th. The invites tease the previously leaked bronze renders of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As the event gets closer, we are seeing more and more leaks. Earlier this week, we saw the device in the flesh for the first time, and now we are seeing a hands-on video from the same source. Our previous first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra came from a YouTuber, Jimmy is Promo. Now, Jimmy is back. Yeah guys, Jimmy has posted a short hands-on video of the device. The video features the Note 20 Ultra model SM-N9860. In the black running Samsung One UI 2.5 is shown alongside the Galaxy Note 10. Compared to the Galaxy Note 10, the Note 20 Ultra appears to be ever so slightly thicker. The massive camera bump is noticeably thicker, unsurprisingly. The speaker and the S Pen placement on the bottom has been shifted around a bit. Interestingly, the new S Pen fits perfectly inside the Note 10's S Pen slot. And lastly, Jimmy shows new S Pen pointer settings previously teased. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is rumored to have a massive 6.87-inch WQHD Plus resolution display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 4500 mAh battery, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 or Exynos 990 SoC, and an improved 108 megapixel main sensor with laser autofocus. The Note series is known for getting the everything but the kitchen sink treatment, and the Note 20 Ultra embodies that more than any previous Note. All will be revealed next month. So yeah, that's it for today guys. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.